Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about division of fractions. Okay, so proceed agad tayo sa ating example number 1. 4/5, i-divide natin yan into 3/8 or 3/8. Okay, so i-rewrite ko lang. 4/5 divide by 3/8. So, ang gagawin natin dito, since this is a proper fraction, so kopyahin mo lang natin yung first fraction na 4/5, tapos kunin natin yung reciprocal ng 3/8. Then, proceed tayo ng multiplication. Okay, so ang reciprocal nito, that is 8/3. Then, proceed tayo ng multiplication. So, i-apply natin yung multiplication na mag-multiply tayo numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, 4 times 8, so that is 32 over 15. Okay? So, pwede pa siya ma-divide or ito yung improper fraction. So, i-divide natin yan. 32 divided by 15 is 2. So, 30. Okay, so equals or 2 and 2 over 15. Okay? So ito yung ito yung improper fraction, ito yung mixed number. So next, number 2. 3 divide by 4 and 1 half. So 3 divide by 4 and 1 half. Okay, so gagawin dyan, kopyahin lang yung 3, tapos divide, i-rename muna natin ito into improper fraction. So 2 times 4, that is 8, multiply yan, then plus 1. So 9. So 9 over 2. Okay? Equals 3. Tapos, ang reciprocal ng 9 over 2 is 2 over 9. Tapos, multiply. Okay? Take note, kapag mag-multiply tayo sa whole number, meron niyang over 1. So, multiply natin numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, dito tayo sa baba konti. 3 times 2 is 6 over 1 times 9 is 9. Then, ma-reduce pa yan. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, ito na yung final answer natin. 2/3. Next, number 3 example. Negative 3 and 1/4 divide kay 3/5. So, i-rewrite ko muna. Negative 3 and 1/4 divide by 3/5. Okay? Equals, rename natin yan. 12 plus 1 is 13. Negative over 4. Huwag kalimutan yung negative na yan. Okay? So, bakit nagiging 13 yan? Kasi 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Tapos over 4. Then, divide by 3/5. Kopyahin na lang yan si proper fraction. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa baba. Kopyahin muna natin yung negative 13 over 4. Tapos, reciprocal nito, that is 5 over 3. Then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. So, mag-multiply na tayo, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, that is negative 13. So, multiply kay 5. Negative yan na. So, 15. So, 565 or negative 65 over 12. 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay, so, gawin natin yan, mixed number. So, 65, alisin muna natin yung negative ay, balik na natin mamaya. So, try natin, i-multiply siya by 5. Hindi pwede. Try ko yung, try ang 5. 10, 5, 6. Okay? Ang 6 niyan is sobra na. Try natin yung 6. That is 12. 72. So, hindi pwede ang 6 o 5. 5 is 60. So, 5. Or, lagay natin dito, negative 5 and 5 over 12. Ito yung mix, ito yung improper fraction. Next, number 4. Negative 2 and 2/3 divide natin kay negative 3 and 2/5. Negative 2 and 2/3 divide kay negative 3 and 2/5. So, equals. Rename lang natin yan. So, 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. At huwag kalimutan yung negative. Okay? Divide by. So, 15 plus 2 is 17. Negative 17 over 5. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito equals negative 8 over 3. Tapos kunin natin yung reciprocal ng 17 or negative 17 over 5. Huwag kalimutan yung multiplication na operation. So, this is 5 over negative 17. Ayusin ko lang yung 17 ko. So, this is negative 17. So, equals, again, kapag mag-multiply tayo ng like sign, the result is positive. So, ang result natin dito ngayon is positive na. Kahit saan nilagay yung negative, positive pa rin yung result. Okay? Kapag mag-divide naman tayo ng like sign, the result is positive. So, 8 times 5, that is 40. Okay? So, 17 times 3, so 21, 3, 5. Okay? 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. So, 51. Positive. 40 over 51. So, kung ma-reduce, i-reduce natin. Pag hindi na, huwag na nating pilitin. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Kasi proper fraction yan siya. So, next. Last example. Number 5. 3/5. Divide natin kay negative 2 and 2/3. So, equals. Kopyahin natin si 3/5 kasi proper fraction yan. Divide. Itong negative 2 and 2/3, i-rename lang natin yan. So, 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 2 is 8. Or negative 8 over 3. So, dito sa baba, 3/5, kopyahin yan. Then, multiplication ng operation kasi kunin natin yung reciprocal niyan. So, that is 3 over negative 8. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yung numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, that is 9 over negative 40. Or, pwede rin ipagita natin yung negative. Negative 9 over 40. Kung ma-reduce, i-reduce natin. Pag hindi na, huwag na natin pilitin. So, since ito ay proper fraction, so ito na yung final answer natin. Pwede ito, pwede rin ito, ha? O, kahit saan mo ilagay yung negative, the same pa rin yan. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.